evening guys, and today is my day 29 and it is all about rewards. I am super happy and grateful guys. Share ko lang. Supposedly, yung umaga ko is talo na. No? Pumunta ako sa school para maghanap ng OJT and mag-apply ng OJT, but unfortunately puno na. So, parang na-devastated ako dun ng konti. But, guys, I'm very grateful kasi God made His way for me. Grabe. Supposedly, wala akong mahanap na OJT ngayon, pero nagkaroon tayo ng OJT. Nag-apply tayo. Fortunately, natanggap tayo agad. And super happy and grateful lang kasi He did gumawa siya ng paraan para sa akin. And kala ko talaga this day is a loss. Pero, ginawa agad ng paraan. And super happy and grateful lang din. This is also my reward system na pumunta sa community ng payaman, pagiging successful, positivity, and growth. So, ayan, naputol na. Anyway, this is also my reward system and I'm rewarding myself because I know I did my best para makapasok sa OJT, makapag-apply sa OJT, and my reward system is to be in this community na growth, positivity, and success. And guys, I want to share this to you if you want to grow as a person, mag-take ng opportunity, and makatulong sa sarili. I want to share it with you. So yun lang guys, see you soon.